me if I told you everything you're seeing right now is actually fake. Yes, this background is actually, this is what my rig setup actually looks like. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn a plain and boring background into a professional looking YouTube background just like this. And the best part is you can actually do this using just Pinterest, Capcut, which is absolutely free. Find a good spot in your house where there is a decent light source. Natural light is always the best if you don't have artificial light and you don't have blank lights. Just sit close to a window. And also ensure there's a distance between you and your plain background, at least an arm length distance, and also make sure there's a distance between you and your tripod. Also, make sure your background is clean and plain, because if there's too much going behind you, it makes the fake background looks weird. Another thing you will need is you will need to use a tripod or something steady to hold your phone in place, because if your video is shaky, it will be so hard to blend the background later. Step 2, you will need to get your background. Now it's time for you to get your fake background. So what you will do is just head over to Pinterest and search for modern YouTube studio background. You'll find tons of options that you can choose from. So just when you see the one you like, just download it straight to your phone. But try as much as possible to choose one that matches your lighting and your vibe, because if your video is bright, pick a bright background. If it's cozy, then pick something that is warm, that will interfere with your background, and that is very, very simple. Step 3, you edit in Capcut. Now, open your Capcut and import your main video onto your Capcut. Do your basic editing, trimming, removing the silent parts, adjusting your brightness, and color grading it if necessary. Open up your Capcut and click on New Project. Then you select the picture background you downloaded from Pinterest onto your phone. After that, you click on Overlay. Then you click on Add Overlay. Then you bring in the video you already recorded. Then you extend the background. Make sure it's the same length or duration as your video. Yes. Then you click on Remove Background. Click on Auto Remover. Then allow it to process. Then you adjust your video. You adjust it till you get what you want. Then you click on the background. Click on Effects. Then you click on Video Effect. Then you look for blur. You search for blur. Then you adjust the blur the way you want it. And that's how you export your video. You're good. And if you want more video editing tips or content tips like this, make sure you click on that subscribe button. Subscribe now, because on here I share practical apps every week, and you